Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. And to check battery level we should create a widget. So press and hold at empty space, then click Edit or Plus at the left top and add widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. Tap at this line, or you can also use a search and write batteries here and tap right here. Here is 3 presets. You need to select the best one for you and click Add Widget. And right here you can check battery level for your earbuds anytime, but make sure that your earbuds turn on and connected to your phone. But the problem, right here we have general battery level, not for the left and right earbuds, and this one is the only way to check it, because the application is not available on iPhone, so we can use only widget. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!